In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete cache and cookies for a specific website in Chrome, step by step, without clearing everything from your browser. This is the easiest way to fix website loading issues, sign-in problems, outdated pages, or weird glitches on just one site, while leaving the rest of your browsing data alone. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the specific website where you want to clear the cache and cookies. This part is important because Chrome lets you manage data for a website directly from the site itself. Now look at the left side of the address bar. You should see the site information icon. Click that icon to open the website information and permissions menu. In this menu, you'll see options related to the site's security, cookies, and access settings. From here, click Cookies and Site Data. This will take you to the section where Chrome stores information for that specific website. Next, click Manage On-Device Site Data. Once you do that, Chrome will show you the stored cookies and cache data associated with that website. Take a moment to review the data if needed, especially if you want to make sure you're deleting the correct site information. When you're ready, click the trash or delete icon next to the website data. This removes the saved cache and cookies for that specific website only. After that, refresh the page or reopen the website and Chrome will load it as a fresh session. You may need to sign in again, and that's completely normal because the cookies were removed. This method is especially useful when a site is acting strangely, not updating correctly, or keeping you logged in with old information. It's also a safer option than clearing all cookies in Chrome because it only affects one website instead of everything. If you want to keep your browser running smoothly, using this targeted cleanup method can save time and prevent unnecessary logouts on other sites. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete cache and cookies for a specific website in Chrome. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy browser tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.